Do you have any questions? Because we have 9 most common questions from the Amazon sellers. We got them and collect them from our YouTube videos, from our Facebook, Instagram accounts, and thank you for that. Right now, I would recommend you to subscribe to our channel, like that, and leave all other questions or any comments below this video. But let's start from the first question. How frequently should you do your optimization? We do not have any specific answer here, because now on Amazon we have 2 main rules. First one is everything working okay? Please do not do anything. Do not touch that. The second one is perform all other changes if something went wrong. Yeah, if something go not so okay in the case of the results that you're expecting. The cool thing and funny thing in the case of the Amazon is what you will have in the case of the problem. Yeah, why you have these such bad results, why your ACoS is skyrocketing, why some campaigns start pause, yeah, all your sales or you do not get them. Now you should go and understand what is the problem and how much time you will spend on that. I guess around 15-30 minutes, not more. And how frequently. We recommend you to understand that we have the data delay on Amazon. Yeah, the data could be uploaded to the Amazon around 72 hours. So do not make some quick actions like today and tomorrow I will do again optimization. Give some time on that. But if you see that your ACoS is just skyrocketing on the next day, yes, maybe something went wrong. Maybe something you should optimize and recheck, remake. And if you do the optimization with the bug files, of course, save one that you have already downloaded. And then, like when you will remake it, launch a new one. In accordance to that, you will have a chance to make some steps back, to understand what changes you have done, and remake and return this template that you had previously. The second question is, what is the Amazon attribution window? Now, Amazon will check you each 14 days in a case of how good is your sales. They will recalculate the number of the organic performance and PPC performance. You will have a chance to understand how everything is working. So you could imagine that Amazon every time searching and controlling you and your competitors in a case of the general amount of sales that you perform. You perform from the PPC side and the organic sales. And we have this rating, yeah, you could be the first one, second, 20s, or anything else. According to that, Amazon will every time calculate, and that's why if you have performed well on the PPC, some of these actions could be seen in the case of the organic results just after 14 days. You will see how everything is performing after 14 days, not tomorrow and not like yesterday, yeah? Only after all this period of time. According to that, you will have a chance correctly start working with all the things, with all the strategies that you are launching and you are working with. The next idea is how to boost my organic sales. That is a good question because I would recommend you to understand that we have 2 main specific indicators. The first one is the conversion rate, how it's good, yeah? In the case of the photos, videos, rating, reviews that you have. Is it okay? Is everything is fine? So you will have a chance, you have a good background, yeah? You have a good ideas how to boost your products, how to start selling on Amazon. The second one is of course the PPC. PPC should work exactly on this goal, exactly on boosting your organic sales and keeping them on the good ratio between the PPC and organic sales. If you have 1 sale from the organic results and 1 from the PPC, that is not so good. Or maybe you're right now just launching your products, yeah? You invest into that. But if you're selling more than half in a year or 1 year or more, and your ratio is 1 organic sales up to 1 sale or up to 2 sales from the PPC, it's really bad. Right now you should focus on that you have 1 sale from the PPC side and up to 3 sales from the organic results. If that will be so, you have a good brand and you have a good understanding and the keys of the organic sales. The fourth question is, why do I need a PPC if I'm in the top? That is a good question because Amazon wants to get more profit from your site. They calculate all actions that you perform inside the PPC, inside the organic results, and for you, that is the reason. If you just leave right now on the organic results, that is good because your PPC will be cheap. that will be profitable for you. You will have a chance to launch it with the low bids and get much more sales that you have right now. You will discover for you a new additional ad placements where your competitor just stealing all your traffic. You will have a chance to build a strategy where you will defend your listing, and here it is. Again, you will increase all your profits. So right now, let's speak about your business. Are you ready to grow, or you just want to see that tomorrow you will not have your business, yeah, because all your competitors just get all your sales and you get out of this market? The next question is what my daily budget should be. A complicated question based on what is your results right now. Because if you have a low CPC, you have a low amount of the keywords and you just starting that in a case of you have a $10 per day for one campaign, okay, if you have just already spent it, that everything will be fine. If you have a 30 and you spend 30, okay, increase up to 50. But we recommend you to get this idea. You have a budget for this day, like yesterday budget, and you should have an X3 for the next day. Yeah, for example, you spent $80, for the next day you should have around 240. Yeah, for you that will be a good cap, because maybe someone will try to promote you inside the Instagram or any accounts, and you will get additional traffic and you want to convert. Be afraid on going out of the budget, because for you that will be like a first ring when you're losing a lot of sales. How to keep and save the bestseller page? That is a good question, because everything will start from the beginning. We will start from your strategy, from your structure, and how is good your PPC results. Because now each sale inside the Amazon is important for you. Right now, you should expand all your campaigns externally and also have a good background there. So all the campaigns around should work exactly in the same way. If you have that, you will have a chance to control. If your organic works okay, everything is fine. If you defend all your listings and other main placements with the help of your specific campaigns, also the same, everything will be good. If not, you should fight for that. But remember, if you will get a bestseller page and you would like to keep that, you will have a chance to decrease all your CPC and advertising will be much more profitable. Of course, you will have much more organic sales, PPC sales, and all other, but keep attention to that. What is Amazon attribution and how to deal with that? You know, the Amazon attribution is the general, like the macro understanding of the links that you have inside. The macro understanding of the shopping things that you have, for example, a shopping URL like this store one, the product detail URL as your main listings, and you will have a chance to just make and build some markers, yeah, around them for getting a full access on all your activities that you are performing out of the Amazon. For example, you have the website where you like say that we also sell on Amazon and you have a link to your store. You will have a chance to create as the UTM link, yeah, the link that will be macro, and you will show Amazon that you have these actions, and inside the Amazon attribution you will see how many traffic you get from these things, how many sales you get from this specific link, and of course you will get some bonuses around that, and we will add this link into this description to our video. And also the important part in the case of the Amazon attribution, you should understand that you should build the diversification in the case of the products that you would like to promote. If you will do that, you will deeply understand how your blog is performing in the case of the Amazon, for example, or Facebook or TikTok account. You will have a chance to compare what is and where the best CPA around all these platforms. Why didn't advertising give any results? That is a complicated question, just because we should understand what is happening inside your advertising. Maybe all problems because you just started too early. Maybe you do not improve your listings. What about your main photo? What about the descriptions? What about the reviews? Maybe you got a 1-star review and everything right now just going down, yeah, everything just falling, and what we will get? Of course, PPC, it's the final step. You should understand that. Because if advertising performing badly, the problems could be not on the advertising, like not only there. But if you have some like bad results, what is the bad results? You do not get any impressions? You could try to increase the bids. If you get a low sales, maybe your competitors right now perform some lightning deals or discounts. If you get, I don't know, some of your TPK keywords got a CTR around 5%, right now it's like 2. You just maybe lose your final ad placement. Yeah, maybe something went wrong. You should increase your percentage. You should start working with your conversion rate. Maybe that could be the reason. So according to that, go deeply into the problem. The problem not only on the advertising side. Should I decrease the price on Amazon? We do not recommend you to do. We do not recommend you to make a great, jumps here. For example, your price right now is 35 and you will do the 19 or 20. That is not a good position for you, because the Amazon, they get a profit from you. Amazon get fees from you. For the Amazon, you should be profitable, yeah? Because in the case of all these systems and algorithms, you will understand that Amazon get profits from your sales, from each sale. And if you will show that you do not want to be there and you would like to increase your traffic and sales in this way, Amazon don't like that. Much better it's not to decrease the price. Much better to choose the price that is okay and comfortable for you, to make in some discounts, to launch the PPC, to make all the things in the case of your margin. And then in the case of the next, for example, half in a year or 1 year, you will have a chance step by step increase the price and you will get all needed things. You will have a chance to increase that, and it doesn't matter what is the average price inside the niche. You will have a chance to grow and you will find that. But pay attention to the ratio between the organic results and PPC. Thank you for watching this video. That was a first part of the questions. Of course, you could leave all other questions inside this video, and please provide us with your comments. Of course, like this video and subscribe to our channel.